Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear.
In this video, we'll explain to you what Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass is.
A TGU, or triple glazing unit, is a high-performance window solution made up of 3 panes of glass instead of the traditional 2, as found in double-glazed units. This extra pane allows for significantly improved thermal insulation, energy efficiency, and noise reduction. Regency Glass, in collaboration with Corning Incorporated, is introducing a next-generation TGU that revolutionises the glazing industry of the UK. This new product integrates a centre pane of Corning Enlighten Glass, which is an ultra-thin architectural glass at 0.5mm thickness, making it both lightweight and incredibly effective.
By using Corning Enlighten Glass as the centre pane, this ultra-thin glass TGU delivers the benefits of triple glazing without adding bulk or weight. In fact, it's only about 5% heavier than a standard double-glazed unit, so it's perfectly suited to existing window systems. And because it fits into standard frames, replacing older units is simple and hassle-free.
Regency Triple also delivers outstanding energy efficiency due to increased cavity width that is made possible by using Corning Enlighten Glass. This translates to a U value between 0.7 and 0.8 for a standard 28mm unit. This significantly reduces heat loss and improves comfort, and thanks to this product's high durability, it can withstand thermal stress and minimise the risk of breakage. When utilising a 36mm overall unit thickness, Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass can achieve a 0.6 U value, which is not currently achievable in a traditional TGU of the same thickness. For a unit with a thickness of 44mm, Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass can achieve 0.5 U value with only an estimated 5% increase on the weight of a DGU.
Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass sets a new standard for performance, efficiency, and ease of installation, offering the future of glazing.
For more information on Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.